Famine. A section of leaders from the northern region have now called on the government agencies to fast-track the current intervention measures in place to mitigate the effects of the ravaging drought in some parts of the country. The leaders, who expressed concern about the deteriorating drought situation in the northern part of the country, were also concerned over the slow response by cabinet secretaries tasked with leading intervention programs since the government declared drought a national disaster. According to the National Drought Management Authority, close to 2 million people are facing acute food insecurity and are in need of urgent assistance. Here is Kimani Githuku with that story.
Since the drought was declared a national disaster by President Uhuru Kenyatta, the government has been putting into place measures to mitigate the situation. However, a section of leaders from the region have raised concerns over the intervention measures. The leaders from rival Upya movement and the Parliamentary Pastoralist Group, PPG, kept aside their political differences to issue a joint plea to the government.
Huge allocation done by government and the progress of the intervention on the ground are not in tandem. That it's not moving as fast as it's supposed to be. So we are urging government that the situation is dire, the rains have failed, the forecast is not very good.
We will have a meeting with all concerned agencies, that is the Ministry of Devolution, Ministry of Treasury, Water, Ministry of Defense, that is for KMC, and then Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock, and other concerned agencies.
They called upon the government to upscale its effort in a bid to address the humanitarian crisis in the affected areas, stating that the impact of the funds directed towards drought intervention had not been felt in the grassroots.
Tulikuwa tumeambiwa kwamba hakuna haja relief food tufanye cash transfer, but hiyo registration imechukua muda mrefu sana. Hakuna watu wamekuwa registered kwa hiyo mambo ya cash transfer. It will take another 3-4 months kuregister watu wetu. Huko hakuna banks. So kwa hivyo on the interim, hata kama policy ya serikali imesema kwamba tufanye cash transfer badala ya relief food, on the interim, until all our people are registered, let us supply food to the people.
According to recent warnings from the weatherman, there may not be any reprieve anytime soon.
This is an appeal not only to the government of Kenya, this is an appeal to the international community, the UN, our partners, the US, UK, European Union. Our region and that part of the country is facing a serious humanitarian crisis.
According to the National Drought Management Authority, over 2 million people in the country have been exposed to hunger, a situation which has been brought by locust invasion and minimal rains. Kimani Githuku, KTN News.
We do hope that that plea is hard to save our fellow Kenyans. Now, I want us to talk about sports briefly, specifically the story of